Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
That you see great success in every single thing that you do from now on. You've trained very hard, as we've heard from all of your coaches, and it's not been the easiest year for anyone, the easiest 2 years almost at this point, but good luck and bon chance, that's all we can say.
First, on the 10th to the 12th of December, we have the Junior National, that is the under 18. There are about 29 teams from all over India that will be representing their own states. Goa is ranked in the last national number 8. We hope to better our position this year. The under 18 team has been prepared, especially the boys. Unfortunately, the under 18 girls is not going due to the board exams. The second part is the senior men and senior women National Rugby Tournament is on 19th, 18th, 19th and 20th of December. Both teams are coached well and trained well. The women are ranked 5th and the boys are ranked 8th. So hopefully this year also with that preparation we will be doing better. We also are thankful to V M Salgaocar for sponsoring the state team, as well as the principal of Father Agnel Central School Pillar to give us the ground to train.